Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this miniature wardrobe, and if you would like to know how I made the rest of the dollhouse, click the link at the end of the video. Start by cutting out these pieces of foam board. I've written down the measurements that I've used for a doll that's 28 centimeters tall, but you can obviously adjust that to the size of your doll. Draw the layout for your closet on a big piece of foam board and then glue the rest of the pieces in place. The first one is only 3 centimeters wide, which is 1 centimeter less than the rest, and this is necessary if you want to add a door to your closet because it will need space to rotate so that you can open and shut it. This is going to be the cupboard door, which I'm going to attach to the wardrobe using pin needles instead of hinges. As you can see, there is a gap here since the first piece of foam board is 1 centimeter narrower than the others. Cut out a piece of paperboard that is 1 centimeter longer and half a centimeter wider than the door, glue it on top and use more paperboard strips to give the door some structure. I'm going to use a small piece of wire that I have bent in the correct shape to make a handle. Now make a small box that fits into the shelf unit, glue a piece of paperboard to the front and repeat the steps to make a panel and handles to match the door. This is what I cut out to make the desk or the makeup table, and I used wallpaper in cement optic to cover the visible parts. I'm using a wooden craft stick to make a wardrobe rail. And in order to attach the mirror to the desk, I'm gluing 2 pieces of paperboard on both sides. Use a spice container, a sponge, fabric and glue to make a stool. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment and let me know what you think or what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this, and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. As mentioned before, you can click the link in the info box or at the end of this video and watch the tutorial for the rest of the dollhouse. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!